there.
Yeah. Hey guys. So right now we're at my neighbor's house, and they just got 3 new kittens.
We actually adopted them, and they're from Halfway Home Cat. Yeah, we're here from Simon and Felicity. So here is our pet Anakin. If you like servers, let me tell you the other two's name. One name is Anakin. This is Anakin. One's Sky and one's Walker. Anakin Skywalker. So if you like Star Wars, you'll get the reference.
The little paw.
Anakin Skywalker is Darth Vader. Anyways.
Yeah, that's Anakin. Okay, if
you please subscribe for the kitties. You'll make them happy.
Yes, you will. Okay, turn on the flashlight.
Also, if you like watching Star Wars, make sure to comment down below #Darth Vader.
Or #join the dark side.
I can't reach the kitty.
That is Sky, and we have a black cat named Walker. And all